Shalom, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Akriti. So, we are going to have our very exciting, our very first session on the angels. So, in the upcoming days, you are going to get the small topics related to the angels where you can actually study on them and know about them in depth and in detail. So, let us start our first study session on the angels. So, welcome to the part one of angelology. Now, what is angelology? Angelology means it is the study of angels. Who are the angels? How do they work? How we can call upon them? What are the work of theirs? How to get their energy? How they operate? And yes, what are the functions of different kind of angels? So we are going to talk all this in our upcoming sessions. With that note, let us start quickly. So today we are going to talk about the part one, which is related to the angels. So बहुत से टाइम पे हमें ये क्वेश्चंस आता है दिमाग में या हम सर्च करते हैं कि एंजल्स क्या होती है, what are the angels, who are the angels, right? And then we think that, do they really exist? Is it something like really something called angels? So first, let us understand that truth is always universal. It is not that it is there in one religion and it is not there in another religion. So if you see that angels are the beings of light, angels are made up of energy, okay? And they are called by different names in different traditions. Like in the Western culture, they are known as angels. The Eastern culture, they are known as devas. So in different culture, they are being called as different names. So before understanding the concept of angels, let us understand what is energy. Sometimes we fail to understand that energy is all we are made up of. Energy is everywhere around us. For example, when we go to a person's house and we meet them for the very first time, sometimes we say that, wow, the vibe is so amazing. The energy of the house is superb. There is so much of positivity. I'm feeling amazing at this person's place. Happens with all of us? Yes or no? So that is what we call as vibes, as positivity, as negativity. So energy is there all is. And we live in an energetic world. We are made up of energy. That is why we are multidimensional. Now, just like we have a physical body, we have also the emotions which we feel, the thoughts which we think. So actually, they are all the part of our energy field, our magnetic energy field, and they are the what we call as aura. So just like in a fish tank, you see the environment of that aquarium is really important for the fish to survive. In a similar way, where we live in, the energy of the house, the energy of our workplace is super important for us to live an energetic life. So whatever the energy is going to be of the place, it is also going to affect our life. It is vice versa. Now, this energy, just like human beings are there, all of us, we have our own society, our own place of existence, our own plane of existence. In a similar manner, there are angels. So we cannot touch the angels, but those people who are the clairvoyant means those who can see through their eyes the realm of light, the realm of energy. They can also see the angels. Now, angels are the energy beings which are made up of energy. Okay, so they, just like we have human realm, in a similar manner, very similar, we have angelic realm. So like the humans have their life, so do the angels have their life. We are made up of the physical body, the organs, the emotions, the thoughts. In a similar manner, the angels are made up of energy, different energies of love, energies of mercy, energies of gratitude, intellectual creativity, and so on. Don't worry, we are going to talk about. So angels are the energy beings, and hence they are very spiritual. Why they are spiritual? Because they are like that bridge which connects the God and the great ones with the realm of the humans. Their work is to help us, to guide us. Now, in the Bible, as the Master Jesus says that, ask and it shall be given, right? So the angels are also all around us. They are always there. They work in harmony. They work with grace. Their existence is to help the humanity, to help us, to elevate us. And that is why they are the bridge between the great ones, the God, and the humans. Okay? They basically, you understand now, they act as an agents, and they work between the God and the humans. Their purpose of life is to help the people. And now you must be thinking that angel से हम कैसे connect कर सकते हैं? So don't worry. We will also talk about it in our upcoming series. This is just the part 1. So in our upcoming series, we'll talk about different types of angel and what is their work. Okay, and we'll also discuss about the hierarchy. Like there are the Archangel Michael, Raphael, Archangel Gabriel, so Archangel Uriel. So there are many angels. Okay, so we are going to talk about it, and slowly and gradually we'll also learn how we can ask them for help. And they are always beautifully there. It's just that we cannot see them, but we can feel their existence. Haven't it happened with you many times that you need protection, and all of a sudden there comes that this something happens inside you and you feel protected. You call upon God and you feel protected. You call upon for the safety of God and you feel protected. Hasn't this happened that yet? So yes, the angels do exist. Now, the more we will understand about the angels, more faith we will develop over the period of time, and we will learn about their existence. Now, bringing on to my next topic for the day is, what do they feed on? So, what do they eat that they grow? So, just like humans, we eat the food. We get nutrition from the food. We get nutrition from the lovely food we eat, right? And we grow. In a similar manner, the angels, they feed on the energy. They feed on the positive energy, the love energy, the higher subtle energy. It is the food for them to grow. And as they keep on working and helping the humanity, they grow. So their purpose is to help us. So why not we can learn to use and help our lives, and basically ease our lives with their existence, and by calling upon them and by knowing upon them. So stay tuned. In our next segment, that is the part 2, we are going to talk a little about the hierarchy of the angels, and then we will move to the next topic, which is we are going to discuss on the different types of angels and how we can connect with them. Okay, and what is the purpose of that one specific angel. So if you have liked this video, go and just click on that like button and subscribe button, so that you can stay tuned with our upcoming videos and upcoming sessions. And of course, you can feed yourself with the light. So thank you so much for your time, and meet you in our next segment. Thank you.